Meatpacking companies coming under fire today as a bipartisan House Select Subcommittee on the coronavirus crisis releases a report.
This after an investigation into how those meatpacking plants put their workers at risk in 2020. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Tonight, we are looking into the report's claims, including how the Trump administration and the USDA helped to keep those plants open. Plus, we're going to hear how meatpacking companies are responding. KMR Local 4's Kaylee Green has that story. Facts, not fear, topping our news tonight at 10.
In the report, Tyson Foods, JBS, Smithfield Foods, and Cargill are listed, and JBS's Cactus plant in Moore County is specifically mentioned. According to the report, meatpacking companies refused to take adequate coronavirus precautions to protect their workers during the first year of the pandemic, which resulted in mass illness and death. The report says meatpacking executives were aware of the high risks of coronavirus transmission inside of plants. For example, a JBS executive received an April 2020 email from a doctor in a hospital near JBS's Cactus, Texas facility saying, quote, 100% of all COVID-19 patients we have in the hospital are either direct employees or family members of your employees. The doctor also warned JBS saying, your employees will get sick and may die if this factory continues to be open. Although in May of 2020, both JBS Cactus and Tyson Foods in Amarillo complied with local, state, and federal efforts for mass COVID-19 testing of employees, as the Texas National Guard and CDC helped to conduct testing, which led to mass increases in COVID-19 cases at the time. In a statement, JBS responded, quote, in 2020, as the world faced the challenge of navigating COVID-19, many lessons were learned and the health and safety of our team members guided all our actions and decisions during that critical time. We did everything possible to ensure the safety of our people who kept our critical food supply chain running. In that report, the committee says it found that meatpacking companies' claims that an impending protein shortage were flimsy, if not outright false, saying that Smithfield and Tyson both warned employees that reduced operations and workers being absent would cause an imminent meat shortage. Tyson Foods said in part, quote, throughout the pandemic, our top priority has been and continues to be the health and safety of our team members. Over the past 2 years, our company has been contacted by, received direction from, and collaborated with many federal, state, and local officials, including both the Trump and Biden administrations, as we've navigated the challenges of the pandemic. This collaboration is crucial to ensuring the essential work of the U.S. food supply chain and our continued efforts to keep team members safe.
The report also says meatpacking companies enlisted Trump's USDA political appointees to advocate against health protections for workers. Live in studio, Kaylee Green, KMR Local 4 News. Andy.
Kaylee, thank you. We have also reached out to Cargill for comment as the company is named in that report, but have not heard back.